In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend lines in Figma. This seemingly simple technique is incredibly powerful for creating dynamic shapes, flowing curves, and adding a touch of organic elegance to your designs. Whether you're crafting custom icons, illustrating complex diagrams, or simply refining the aesthetics of your user interfaces, mastering the art of bending lines will significantly expand your creative toolkit in Figma. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand not just how to do it, but also the underlying principles that make it so versatile and easy to incorporate into your workflow. Our first step is to prepare the line or shape you wish to modify. In Figma, to gain precise control over a vector object, you need to enter its specific edit mode. So, begin by locating the line or shape on your canvas that you want to bend. This could be a straightforward line you've drawn with the line tool, an edge of a geometric shape like a rectangle or a polygon, or any custom path you might have created using the versatile pen tool. Once you've selected it, simply double-click directly on that shape. This action is crucial because it transforms your selection from a generic object into an editable path, revealing its individual anchor points and vector handles. You'll immediately notice a visual change. Instead of just a bounding box around the entire shape, you'll now see small squares or circles at the vertices, indicating that you're successfully in vector edit mode. This is exactly where we need to be to start manipulating the geometry of your line with precision. Now that you're in vector edit mode, with all your anchor points clearly visible, shift your attention towards the bottom part of your Figma interface. Specifically, you'll want to find and click the Bend button. This button typically appears in the contextual toolbar that automatically shows up at the bottom of the canvas whenever you're actively editing vector paths. It's often represented by an icon that resembles a curved line with an arrow, or something similar that visually suggests a bend or curve. Clicking this button activates the dedicated Bend tool, which is your direct gateway to transforming straight-line segments into smooth, flowing curves. Once the Bend tool is activated, you'll observe that simply clicking on a segment between two anchor points with the tool will immediately transform that previously straight line into a curve. But the real magic, and where you gain creative control, truly happens when you start dragging. After that initial click, you can then drag your cursor outwards or inwards from the line segment to intuitively adjust the curvature. As you drag, Figma will automatically generate Bézier handles at the anchor points on either side of the segment you're bending. These handles are essentially levers that control the slope and magnitude of the curve as it leaves or enters an anchor point, giving you fine-grained control over the curve's direction and intensity. You can then further refine your curve by directly manipulating these Bézier handles.